Hail Mallrats! This is the OCM Mallrat and welcome to OCM Hobbies. In this video we will be unboxing the Bandai Namco Star Wars plastic model kit. So this one is the Blockade Runner. This is vehicle model number 14. They made it back in 2018 with the Disney push for Star Wars merch. I've been looking for this kit for a long time, and I finally found a bunch of them. So here we go. Okay. So if you guys remember, this is the Blockade Runner. So if you're a casual or what do you call it, a movie person, you'll know this as the Tantive IV, which is Princess Leia's ship at the beginning of Star Wars Episode 4: A New Hope. This is the diplomatic vessel that she was trying to escape from, escape in, where the Star Destroyer caught it in its tractor beam. Yeah, you guys may also know it from Rogue One. At the end of Rogue One, were the same exact ship that showed how they got the Death Star plans. There you go. If you're a little more Star Wars fanny, yeah, this is a Corellian Corvette. I actually forgot. CR, was it 2025, something like that? Okay, but it's a Corellian Corvette, small gunship. It should have two turbo laser or two laser cannons on top, dorsal and ventral surface, and yeah. So this one is. It doesn't say on the box what particular scale it is, because this is a big ship compared to a normal person. Okay, although compared to the Star Destroyer at the start of Episode 4, of course, this thing fit inside the hangar bay of the Star Destroyer. So that shows you not how small the ship is, but how big a Star Destroyer is. Okay. Anyway, so let's take a look at the box. Blockade Runner. Both Bail and Organa and his adopted daughter Leia used this Alderaan cruiser on public missions for the galactic new Star Wars lore. Boo, boo. Okay. I'm a classic Legends guy. Okay. Plastic model kit based on blah 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 blah. There are guides on where to put the decals, but you know you can paint that on. Okay. Other side, 14, caution, blah blah blah, Bandai Spirits, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's take a look. I've never opened this. It's my first Corellian Corvette, actually. No, look, that's their 1144 stand. Okay, so the box does not have a manual. Shouldn't there be a manual? No. So this doesn't have a manual. Instead, the instructions are printed on the box. Check it out. Bandai is cheapening up on us, I guess. Okay, as long as these kits stay affordable. So, Star Wars Bandai Hobby site. Go to bandai-hobby.net/sw/. They have ads for the plastic X-Wing and the 172 X-Wing, which I have right here. It is the 1144 though, but the 172 is right here. The 1144 Millennium Falcon, which I don't have yet, but I will be getting one. I'll probably be painting it as a normal YT 2004. YT 1300 freighter. Okay, the 2400, of course, is Dash Render's ship, the Outrider. So, other side. There you go. So these are the assembly instructions. So remember, the assembly instructions for this are on the box, or they are the box, as you guys can see. It's a relatively simple build since it is a 1:200 something ship, 1:500. I actually don't know what the scale is for this, and it doesn't say on the box. Let's take a look at the contents. I can already see those aren't decals, those are actual stickers. what Bandai does with their Star Wars line is that it's even more casual than your typical Gunpla. So these are not dry transfer decals. These are stickers. You can tell by the different kind of paper. So here you go. Stickers. Vehicle model 01414 Blockade Runner. Bye bye. Ooh, of course, Lucasfilm. Which now is Disney. Anyway, so whatever. It's a sticker sheet. It's a sticker sheet. Cute. Does this one go around the? Oh yeah, the side entrance, the port, the airlock there, the airlock. Okay, so comes with your typical BM1. Okay, Bandai 2016 Japan. So this is the typical 1144 stand that comes with your 1144 Star Wars kits. Okay, even though the kit is not 1144, obviously, because this is a relatively huge ship. Relatively, of course. So there are two sprues or runners. It's A1 and A2. And that's about it. Does that say something? Bandai Spirits, made in Japan 2018. Lucasfilm Limited, VM. What's that say? Blockade Runner. Okay, so it's this Blockade Runner. So sprue A1 has the engines. Some of them actually no, they both have the engines, and then the body, and then your airlocks, your cockpit or bridge. I'm not sure what you call it for a ship this size. It is technically I think it is a capital ship, but it's not very capital. It's around the half or a third the size of a Nebulon B frigate. Should be. Oh, if they ever come out with a model of that, I need that. Hey, it's 2025 and I'm glad they're restocking their Star Wars stuff now. I was looking for these for the longest time. Zombie apocalypse happened, the kits disappeared, but now I guess they're making Star Wars model kits again. Hey, anyway, I think that's it. Huh? Oh yeah. So careful, the turbo lasers or laser cannons, I'm not sure if they count as turbo lasers. I think they're just dorsal and ventral laser cannons on top, and on the bottom those look very scary to cut. You're probably gonna need some very careful cutting tools and very good tools, so like a god hand nipper or a very sharp nipper. That's gonna need some care. This one not so much. What is this? This is a radar dish. This is the dorsal radar dish, sensor dish, whatever. Aside from that, that's the whole kit. Just be careful of that. That looks like it. The barrels of the lasers are very, very fragile, and they look thinner than the sprue they're attached to. Aside from that, that's it. It's just it looks like a relatively simple build. You put halves in, put halves in. Don't you put that on top or top wherever? No, that goes there, and that goes somewhere here or here, and then the sides, just the one side, and then the other side, and then that's it. Okay. Of course, unlike many Bandai kits, the sprue is single color, so the color will come from the stickers, or it seems a simple matter to just prime this white or gray and then paint the lines in, the red lines in, and whatever details, and then just wash it with like smoke or ash or some black thing, and then afterwards it's already presentable. Okay, but anyway, there you go, guys. That was the Bandai. Now you guys can see I actually got it from Toy Kingdom. So that was the Bandai Namco Star Wars plastic model kit of your Blockade Runner or your Tantive IV or your Corellian Corvette. Okay. Vehicle number 14. Let's hope I get to finish all of them. Okay. So, anyway, hope this helped you guys in maybe deciding to buy the kit or figuring out if you have what's supposed to be in the kit. If you liked the video, please give the video a like, share the video maybe, subscribe to the channel if you like what we do here. Now, this is the OCM Hobbies channel. Our main channel is over at the OC Mallrat, where we do other things like we walk around, look at expos and trade fairs, conventions. So if you guys like that, give that a look and maybe a subscribe. Maybe check out videos. But anyway, see you guys in my other OCM hobby videos. Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.
They don't if they have a if they make a Star Destroyer at this scale, then the hangar should be this big around, which means the Star Destroyer should be I can see that. That's just the size of their HG Psycho Gundam or Kshatriya kits, maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, way bigger. The Digimon Dragon, maybe. But it's possible. Come on, Bandai. Okay, give us our classic Star Wars, no sequel shit. Classic Star Wars stuff. See you guys around.